Hey guys, that's stuck in my head now. But today I'm going to be doing a track time video. Haven't done one of these in ages at all. So the first competitor will be Ting Ting Tingy. Ting Ting Ting. So it will be, let's see, it's a Hot Wheels Blue Body Team car or whatever it's called. It's a bit too close there. So let's launch it. So there's the launcher. Probably already seen in my first track time video. We have da da da. Oh my gosh! Get set, go! That went over there, just past the end of my thingy tingy tingy. Next is Lexus LFA, whatever it's called. Oh my god! I'm now Ferrari. Unlock. Get set. Go. Oh, there was the advanced one. Now the Tigray. Oh, that went far. Oh, a problem. This one might not get as much speed. It's the Lamborghini. So you're out in Ponevado. Jeez. She just went there. She was just off in the air. Oh boy. Now a Finnish car. There is a Golf. Lotus Esprit, whatever it's called. Oh man! Now a Corvette, Chevrolet, Camaro, convertible, Concept, whatever the weather. Go 3, 2, 1, go! Now a muscle car. It's called Lavdin. Ha ha ha. Oh. Do you see that? I just trumped, by the way. I don't think you need to know to hear that. As the Fury. Oh, that was epic. See all them cars down there. That's what's happening. That's what's happening. For the brain. Now my favourite car. Just left my favourite car until last. Came first. So there was my video, and I'll be back in about 2 days for another video. Bye.